going on, you guys?
Sorry, man. You're in the way, man. We're trying to get some pictures.
I'm asking you what you guys are doing.
You didn't ask anything, man. You didn't even ask anything. You just came and stood in front of us.
I said, what's going on, guys? Twice. You didn't hear that?
Hey, man. Nobody's obligated to answer you, man. You could go back inside and mind your own business.
That's true, too, but you said I didn't ask you anything, and that's...
You didn't ask me what I'm doing.
I asked you twice. What are you doing?
You didn't ask me what I'm doing.
I asked you kind of friendly. And I don't have to move nowhere.
Anyways, it doesn't matter, man. It's out of your hands.
Okay. Well, it's out of your hands for me to move then, right?
Huh?
You can answer a simple question.
I mean,
no one's
really
giving you permission to come over here taking pictures. This is a government facility.
Exactly. That's why we're here.
That's why you're here?
Yep.
Okay. It could have been easy for you to say that, and you have to be a difficult dick about it. Like
doesn't matter. What's your name?
Ricky Ricardo.
Damn, it took you that long to turn your flash on, man? We could have been down the block by now. Jeez.
Oh, trust me, you're not going nowhere.
Don't approach me, man.
Or what?
I'm warning you, don't approach me.
What you gonna do, bro?
Don't approach me, man. Get out of my face.
What are you gonna do, bro?
Get out of my face.
I'm making sure I know who this is.
Get out of my face, man. Get
out of my face. Bro?
You touch me, man, I'm gonna call cops on your bitch ass.
Call the cops in, bro.
Get the fuck out of my face.
Call the cops in, bro.
Get the fuck out of my face. I'm gonna smack that shit out of your hands.
Dude, I dare you. I dare you, bro.
Get out of my face.
I dare you.
Get out of my fucking face.
I dare you, bro. I dare. I'll dog you right here, bro. Right here, bro. Touch anything of mine. I thought so. Keep being brave behind whatever the fuck you got.
Pussy.
Right? Right?
Yeah, I smacked it.
Okay.
Didn't I?
No, you didn't.
Your hand,
I got in your face. You did zero about it just now.
Your hand out of
just
my,
let you know that your boy's a pussy, right?
Shit,
okay.
And you said do it, and I did.
You did nothing.
I did.
You did nothing, bro.
Off, man.
You just talk.
You
just talk, bro.
Pussy. Coward. What a coward, man.
You guys do it?
Hey, man, you need to mind your own business and stay on your property.
Excuse me? Who are you talking to, bro? Who are you talking to, bro?
What do you mean, who am I talking? You walked up to me.
Dog, Eric, bro.
What's the purpose of the picture?
You're a joke, bro.
And what are you?
You're a joke.
What are you?
I'm the dude telling you in your face that you're a joke.
You're a joke, man.
I'm the dude doing that.
You're a joke.
Right.
You're a joke.
Right.
You're a joke.
Right. Keep snapping pictures, bro.
News first?
Go ahead.
No. I'm gonna push the button.
No. We already. Go ahead. Keep pushing it. Go ahead, bro.
Go ahead.
Already got you shook in your boots right now,
Ain't
bro.
Nobody shook, man.
You're pathetic, homie.
I'm right here.
You're pathetic, bro.
What are you?
I'm the dude telling you you're pathetic, bro.
You're pathetic. I'm the dude telling you you're pathetic, fucking clown.
Come on.
What? Dog. All right, bro. All right, I'm saying they're.
What's the purpose of your visit?
We're not on your property, man.
I'm just asking you a question. You're filming. This is private.
Nobody's
property.
giving you consent.
I can call the police.
I can
call the police. I need to know what's the purpose of your visit.
I'm not on your property. It's none of your business what I'm
Then
doing.
why are you recording me right now?
Because you walked up to me just like this clown did.
I'm a clown. Okay.
Yep, I'm the guy calling you a clown.
Okay. Now you gonna take my answer.
Yep.
You're a lemming, bro.
Hello?
You know what that is?
You're a
You
lemming.
don't.
Yes.
You don't, because you're out here in a vest taking pictures.
You're a lemming.
So your vocabulary is kind of limited.
Like yours?
Okay, yeah, like mine.
Just like your temper.
Like yours?
Just like your temper.
Nah,
bitch.
the homie would already dogged you out, bro. I'm still here standing till you talking to you. I actually
I'm still
approached
standing
you-
right here, dude.
I actually approached you
I'm
civilly.
still standing right here.
And then you lied and said
nobody
I
has to
didn't.
talk to you, man.
And then you lied and said I didn't. Well, then you could just be a liar. Don't be an idiot.
Man. Get out of here.
Don't be a dick.
You're nobody.
That's how you get dropped, bro.
Nobody, dude.
That's how you get dropped, bro. You don't want to do that.
You're nobody,
Yeah,
dude.
down
You're in the streets, bro. Don't act stupid.
Exactly. I'm in the streets. I'm not on your property.
act
Don't act
stupid.
stupid. I'm on the streets.
You're illegally taking pictures. No one's giving you
illegal?
consent.
Oh, what's the law that says I can't take pictures?
I have to give you consent.
The
if you
hell
record
no.
me
Nah, once you leave your private little house, you have
Like
no
you're doing.
expectation of privacy, man. Go away.
like you're doing.
Yeah, you're a clown, dude.
Okay.
You're a clown.
Okay.
Doing illegal photography. Yeah,
Okay. We're gonna see right now.
What are we gonna see?
Well, it.
What's it?
Don't worry about it, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Keep doing your photos, bro. Keep doing your photos.
You're gonna go in and
Oh,
cry
well,
about
stay
it
here till
right
after
now.
10:30 and tell me I'm not gonna do
You're
shit,
gonna
bro.
go inside and cry
Stay
about
right
it.
here till after 10:30, then tell me I'm not gonna do shit, bro.
Nobody got time for your bitch.
Right. Cause you're a clown, bro. Cause you're a clown, bro. That's why I was hoping you would touch some of mine so I could drop you, bro. And pray your boy want to get it, dude.
Oh,
You're so aggressive, man.
You already know I'm aggressive, bro. 'Cause I don't like y'all.
Why? Why are you so aggressive?
Yeah, but why you out here
I don't
taking
like
pictures?
y'all.
Why you out here taking pictures?
That's your
You didn't want to answer the question when I
What?
asked you nicely, so now you get
problem.
aggression,
Your
bro.
Because they use by the camera.
Whose problem, bro?
Pictures.
Whose problem, dog?
Your problem, man.
My problem?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, you ain't did no time. Zero. I could look at you and see you just a soft piece of shit, bro.
What are you? What are you?
I'm the
Fucking-
dude
you a
who
hard-ass
fucks over
dude?
a soft piece
Yeah,
of
you're
shit.
just proving what you are, man. You're just proving
That's what I
you
do,
are.
bro.
You're dirt,
That's
man.
what I do.
You're dirt.
That's what I do, bro.
Yeah, you're dirt, man.
That's what I do, bro. Yeah, keep hiding behind your camera, bro.
Go away.
Keep hiding behind your camera, bro.
Stop acting like a clown. Grow the fuck up already, man.
10:30,
For once
bro.
in your life, man. For once in your
10:30,
life,
bro.
make the right decision, clown.
bro.
Man, been locked up.
Don't be
Who the
here.
fuck wants to be locked
Don't be
up,
right
man?
here.
Nobody wants to be in your
Don't be
shoes.
right here at
Go
10:30,
away.
bro.
Put a leash in
Go
your hand.
away.
Hey,
Don't be right here. Nobody wants
put a
to be
leash
in
in this
your
guy,
shoes,
though.
man.
Right here at 10:30, bro.
Yeah, keep crying about it too.
I'm telling you that right now.
Keep crying about it.
Wait, no.
Let him cry about it, man.
That's what I'm curious.
You came out and instigate some shit and you expect respect? I don't think so, man. You get no fucking respect.
Hopefully you don't work for the federal government, dude. Hopefully you're not a federal government employee, dude.
Clowns. Go back inside. You see? There it is.
There we go.
There it is.
Goodbye. Take care.
Okay. All right.
Be here, please.
Just go away, man.
Okay.
Hey, put a leash on the guy.
Hey, thug life was from the 90s, man. Grow up. Thug life is from the 90s, man. Grow up.
Go back inside, dude.
Hey, dude, thug life is from the 90s, man. Control your people, dude. What's wrong with you guys?
I don't know what you're talking
We're
about.
not breaking the law, dude. You guys just go mind your own business.
Let's go inside. Go inside.
Go inside.
Eric, man, you good?
Alright, so I asked you guys politely, what is the purpose of you guys' visit?
We don't have any obligation to you
And
to
I
answer
don't,
any
and
questions,
there is
man.
no reason why I shouldn't be asking you.
Look, man, you can ask, but
Someone
we
brought it
can
to my
refuse
attention.
to answer, man.
Someone brought it to my attention that you guys are out here filming. Tell me, this entire block is isolated, and you're right here.
What does that mean? What does
He
that mean?
has the right to question it.
Okay, he
We
could
have the
question
right
it,
to
and then
question
when he
it.
gets the answer,
So
he
now
can
we're
walk away,
questioning
man.
it.
Just
I
like
already
you,
took
man.
pictures of you too, and I'm
doesn't
very
matter.
curious. It doesn't matter either.
Yeah.
But I'm very curious why you're here.
It doesn't matter, man. It doesn't
Okay.
matter
I'm
why we're
curious
here.
what you
As
guys
long as
decide.
you don't bother us.
You need to respect our rights, man. We
You
have
can,
a
hey,
right
you
to
can stand here.
property.
It could rain. It could snow.
Look,
I don't
man.
care. If you bother my employees, I will call the police.
Well, don't tell your employees not to approach people on the public. How about that?
You two are suspicious.
It doesn't matter.
You telling
Who's
me?
the security here? Those guys aren't security.
I don't care about security.
Yeah, you need to have a security
You
license
two
to
are
approach
suspicious
people,
right
man.
now. Okay?
Is suspicion or crime?
If you have a business card, do you have a purpose? I don't see anybody else here except for you two.
It doesn't matter, man. Nobody has to explain
Okay?
anything to you
Because
or any
it
of
would
your
take
thug
me
employees, man.
very easily. I call the police,
Any of
and
your
they could
thug
ask you the same
ex-convict
question I'm
employees,
asking.
man.
The
Ex-convict.
police could ask you the same questions right now.
Yeah, we're under investigation here to see why you hire ex-convicts here, man.
That makes no sense.
Why do you hire ex-convicts?
That makes no sense.
Why do you hire people
That makes
that are
no
putting your
sense.
company in a liability
That makes no
situation?
sense. So I'm gonna say this.
Look, man,
you
why
guys
are you
have a
hiring
good
people
look.
to put your
my
company in
employees-
liability?
My employees noticed you. I already made the call. Okay.
It doesn't matter.
guys
They
can
told you
stay
to leave us
here.
alone.
If you touch any of these cars,
Who's
if you
touching anything, man?
photograph-
Go
you
away.
knock
Nobody
on
wants to
our
hear your
door,
bullshit, dude.
I will call the police. I
Bullshit,
will
blah,
call
blah,
the police
blah.
on
Go
you.
away, man.
Are you
Stay on
listening
your
to me?
property.
Are you listening?
Stay on your property because
Are
I'm
you
already
listening?
going to have my lawyer call your office,
Are you
man.
listening?
Yeah.
Are you listening?
My lawyer's already calling,
Are
man.
you
So
listening?
just go away.
Are you listening?
You're making things worse, man.
No.
Just go away.
Are you
Nobody's
listening?
to your bullshit,
Are you
dude.
listening?
Nobody
If you
listens to
touch
your
any of
bullshit.
these
Nobody
cars,
listens
I'll
to
take
your
knock
all
on
the
that
license
door,
plate of this car, dude.
okay?
Go away,
Right
man.
I will
now,
call
I'm
the
gonna
police
take
on
all
you.
the
Go
license
ahead.
plate
I don't
right
care.
now.
I don't care what you guys
Call
are doing.
whoever
don't
you
care.
want.
I
I will
take
call
all
the
the-
police on you guys.
Go
I'll
ahead,
call the
Brandon.
license. Every
Control
license
your
plate
animals.
on this. I will take a picture of it. I'll put it
Control
on the
your dog
internet.
animals.
Because you're boy. That's why.
You guys are ridiculous.
I'll take a picture of every single
The
person.
U.S. Census Bureau. You guys are clowns.
Look,
You guys
clown.
shouldn't be working for the government. Yeah, lock the door, clown. Wow. Do you believe that shit, bro? Did you get it?
Yep.
You got it on film?
Yep. He didn't touch you, right?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah, and he put his camera over here and fucking he was hitting me.
We'll call it.
They ain't gonna do shit, bro.
Yeah.
The law is against us, man. We have to have the, you know, we have to serve them directly.